Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer balances with TD Bank, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer balances with TD Bank, start by logging into your TD Bank online account. Enter your username and password on the login screen. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers tab in the main menu. Select Transfer Funds from the drop-down options. Choose the accounts you want to transfer funds between. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct. Select the date for the transfer. You can choose to transfer immediately or schedule it for a later date. Click on the Confirm Transfer button. A confirmation message will appear on the screen once the transfer is complete. You can also check your email for a transfer confirmation. If you prefer using the TD Bank mobile app, open the app on your device. Log in with your account credentials in the app. Tap on the transfers icon located at the bottom of the screen. Select the accounts you want to transfer funds between. Input the amount for the transfer. Review the transfer information for accuracy. Choose the transfer date and proceed. Tap on the Confirm button to finalize the transfer. You will receive a confirmation notification within the app. For additional assistance, contact TD Bank customer service through their support number or online chat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.